The Airfix combustion engine was created based on a skeleton model. The skeleton contains the important datums such as the crankshaft axis, the camshaft axis, the rocker arm axis, and the cylinders. After the skeleton was complete, each part was modeled using copied geometry from the skeleton as a basis. Where required, for example the crankshaft, individual parts were included in a smaller subassembly. Parts and subassemblies were then constrained according to their respective skeleton references into the main assembly. When the assembly was complete, mechanism connections were added. These include, for example, the belts, the cams, and the springs. A position analysis of the model was run in the mechanism module, and its results were imported into the animation model to create the conceptual video.